I shall thee surely catch. Where wilt thou go? What nook shall be thy shield? Wilt thou recede amidst the sticks and leaves? Thy feeble frame no match for me doth yield. And though thou spread thy wings to mount the sky, mine eye remaineth fixed, shouldst thou but fly. Trace thy path till all concealment break. There thou art, now shall thy soul I take. Ah, what foul stench, what bitterness I find. Call me a fool, thou art of loathsome kind. So here I cast thee down to twist in pain. Soon shalt thou fail, and death thy breath shall drain. Oh little beetle, hast thou aught to say? Thou foolish bird, that now dost cast me by, I thank thee well, for I was nigh to die. Behold, my days were filled, my mate was won, and she hath laid our seed beneath the ground. There too mature, ere thou and I were met, and bear such taste as might thy beak confound. Mayhap I've taught thee wisdom in this strife. Touch not my young, and seek some better life. I am fulfilled, yeah, satisfied am I. My span was spent, and slow I waned away. Thou hast but hastened, now mine end this day. Fair foolish bird, go forth, seek nobler prey. Farewell, foolish bird, go forth, seek nobler prey.